Sorry, apple cider vinegar have lots and lots of benefits for you. Not this one. I'm talking about this one. If you're into weight loss, apple cider vinegar is the best for you. It is awesome with belly fat burning, it suppresses your appetite, it's awesome for gastric problems, and it also improves the blood sugar level with controlling insulin and many more of such sort. Apple cider vinegar is actually made of apples. I mean, it's nothing but fermented apple juice. In this video, I'll tell you guys all the uses, all the side effects, and the best way to use it so that you get ultimate results for that. So without any further delay, let's get started with the video. Uses. It suppresses your appetite. The urge or the want of having lots and lots of food is called appetite. So it suppresses that. If you don't feel like eating more, you end up eating less so that you end up taking less calories, which helps in weight loss. Second point, it's awesome for burning your belly fat. Apple cider vinegar is mostly known for weight loss. It's wonderful for weight loss. This is why it's good. Let me start from the basics. You guys know genes, right? Which are very important for your hair color, your beard shape, your height, whatever it is. Genes play a lot of role in your body. So there are some genes which are also responsible for your belly fat. For example, there are people who eat very less but still they have an obese or bloated body because of hereditary problems. Those genes are what I'm talking about. So this apple cider vinegar triggers or activates those genes and help you in burning more and more fat. So it works in gene level, which is like awesome. And that's the reason why it gives amazing effects on weight loss. So if you are a person who is looking for some weight loss and you're trying a lot of things and it's not happening, so along with your gymming or your diet, take apple cider vinegar for sure to see amazing results in few weeks and all. It's awesome for gastric problems. For example, you are a person who is facing a lot of problem because of the gas. You feel a lot of pressure or like hurting sensation here, or you feel bloated stomach and problems with constipation. Apple cider vinegar is awesome for that. You can see wonderful results in less than a week or so. Blood insulin level. It is awesome with controlling your blood sugar level by controlling the blood insulin level in your body. So, which is a very good thing. Okay, now let's go to side effects. If you're taking it for a short term and in recommended quantities, there is no harm at all. But people, after seeing these kind of good results, right, they start taking apple cider vinegar in huge doses, which is not at all good. And they keep on taking it for longer terms, which is also not good. So there are few things that you have to do. I'll tell you in a bit, but yeah, let's see the side effects of doing those mistakes. If you are taking for prolonged time or huge doses, it reduces the potassium level in your body. It also makes your bones a little bit brittle and weak. As this apple cider vinegar is acidic in nature, if it get in contact with your teeth, right? Teeth has a whitish layer on top. It's called enamel. So because of this acidic nature, it can harm those enamel parts. So it's not advisable to take these directly in contact with your teeth or something like that. Directions to take apple cider vinegar. The recommended quantity of apple cider vinegar is 30 ml. That is 3 tablespoons a day. It's best to take before 30 minutes of a meal, say breakfast, lunch or dinner. Take 30 minutes before it for better results. Take this 1 tablespoon of vinegar and add it to warm water and mix it thoroughly and then take it. When you're taking it, don't get that solution in contact with your teeth. Either you can directly take it or use a straw for that. This solves the problem with teeth and the enamel part. You shouldn't take for longer durations or huge doses. As I told you, the recommended dosage is 30 ml per day, so stick to that. And also stick to 3 to 4 months only. You should take apple cider vinegar only for 3 to 4 months. Don't extend that. If you are a person who is looking to burn your fat or belly fat, right, you can take this so that it helps you in reducing the belly fat in a much more faster way. But I know people who only take apple cider vinegar and think that magically their belly fat will be gone. No, it's not going to happen like that. You should exercise, you should take a proper diet and also take this apple cider vinegar, so it will add as a benefit. So if you're doing this for 3 to 4 months with a good plan, diet plan and good exercise, and you will lose a lot of weight, which is very bad for you. You will lose a lot of fat, which is not going out of your body. So this is an amazing way how you can reduce your belly fat and create your weight loss plan with apple cider vinegar. And also there are lots and lots of brands out there in the market, but I don't prefer you using like some cheap or like unwanted product. So this is a product currently I'm using. I'll link it in the description. I'll also mention few of the trustable and good brands which are giving some quality product in the links. So do check it out before you're purchasing it. So yes, that's it for this video. If you are a person who is looking for weight loss, this is a good thing for you. If you are a person who is struggling a lot because of these gastric problems, you can use it for 3 to 4 months to reduce that problems and be in a better shape. This is for you guys. So try to have this every day and get your body into a better shape. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you like this video, please like and share it with your friends and family so that they can be benefited, and also give me a good like there so that I'll be motivated to do these kind of videos more and more. And do let me know your views and comments in the comment section. And if you want to ask me any personal question, you can DM me here in my Instagram. I'll reply you back. And thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. See ya.